Hello everyone, my name is John Paul. Today is April 3rd, Friday, 2020. Typically Friday is a day where we try to be done trading earlier instead of going into the afternoon. Before I begin, remember trading is risky. Please talk to your broker and understand the risks involved with trading. This video is going to cover a few things here. I'm showing you the Atlas line on a 1-minute chart, which shows at about 10:20 or so that the signals here are all indicating sells. So that means if you are in the market and you're looking for buying opportunities, it would really, you have to be careful, obviously, but you would really only look for buying opportunities when the market crossed over the Atlas line if you were using the Atlas line indicator. And you can see that the signals here continue lower and lower and lower because the market is going and selling off and going lower. So the goal here is to have trades to short it, and the Atlas line is giving you those signals to only sell it and go short. Now, as the market starts to go up, you don't see any buy signals and you don't see any sell signals because the market is still trading below here, the Atlas line. Okay, so the goal is to take short trades if they occur using the rules while the market is trading under the Atlas line and the signals are produced for you, and trading above the Atlas line if the opportunities exist. I also took a trade on the Trade Scalper. I'm going to show you the Trade Scalper next. So here we have the same 1-minute chart. I have the ATR. That is very important. It tells me that the current conditions, we're getting back to normal. I really don't like to see it above 5 points. So here we have it at 3 3/4 of a point. So we're within reason. We could trade. Remember, the distance that the market could move on each 1-minute candle is about 3.5 points at the moment. So your target and your stops are based off of that. Each of these signals, the long, the two shorts, the 24.97 quarter long that just occurred, they all made about 2 points at least. And if you take 2 or 3 of these trades and stop, you should be well ahead of the game. Please don't overtrade as well. So I know exactly what I'm getting myself into. I have a stop that is based off the ATR. I have a target that is smaller than the ATR. That means I want to make that distance be in and be out of the market fairly quickly. I'm using the Atlas line as a filter. You don't have to, but you can, in order to say I'm only taking short trades or long trades. And as the day progresses, the entire day, this is here only 11:10 in the morning, but the entire day, as the market starts to unravel itself, is going lower and lower. So really the focus will be on short trades as we move forward. The long signals you could skip if you wanted to. Short trades are where we're at for today. Those of you who want to join the next mentorship class beginning April 14th, email me or visit DayTradeToWin.com. We have all the information when it comes to joining the next group mentorship class. If you have any questions, please email me, support@DayTradeToWin.com, and I'll see you at the next video.